Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Rapids Wallet application on your Android. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Start off by launching open your Play Store. Also, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Rapids Wallet and search. Soon after you find this application in the search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Now, all you need to do is to wait for the application to download and install. Soon after it's completed, tap on the open button to launch Open Rapids Wallet application on your Android phone. So that's how easy it is to get the Rapid Wallet app downloaded for your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.